Welcome to Technical Rai. Hope all are doing good in their respective field. Today we will learn about basics of pump. Table of content. Let's know. 1. Definition of pump. 2 types of pump. 3 centrifugal pump. 4 positive displacement pump. 5 difference between PD pump and centrifugal pump. 6 application of pump. 7 basic formulas related to pump. Let's know about definition of pump. A pump is a device that moves fluids, liquids or gases, or sometimes slurries by mechanical action converted from electrical energy into hydraulic energy, or a machine used for the purpose of transferring quantities of fluids and or gases from one place to another. Hope you understand in simple way. Let's know about types of pump. There are basically two main types of pump. First one is dynamic pressure pump and dynamic pump, further divided into 3 subtypes like centrifugal pump, propeller pump and turbine pump. Second one is positive displacement pump and positive displacement pump, further divided into 2 main types, that is reciprocating and rotary, both further divided as shown on display. Definition of centrifugal pump. A centrifugal pump is a mechanical device designed to move a fluid by means of the transfer of rotational energy from one or more driven rotors, called impellers. It operates on the principle of centrifugal force, which is the outward force experienced by an object rotating in a circular path. Definition of positive displacement pump. A positive displacement pump is a mechanical device which displaces a known quantity of liquid for every revolution or cycle that the pump completes. The flow rate through a positive displacement pump is directly proportional to its speed and number of cycles over a given time. Let's know about difference between centrifugal and positive displacement pump. First, construction of centrifugal pump is simple because of less number of parts, whereas construction of reciprocating pump is complex because of more number of parts. Second, weight-to-discharge ratio is less in centrifugal pump, whereas weight-to-discharge ratio is more in reciprocating pump. Third, centrifugal pump have more suitability in large flow with less head, whereas reciprocating pump become more suitable at high head with less flow. You can see and know other characteristic between centrifugal and reciprocating pump in given picture. Hope you understand well. Let's know about application of pump. Agriculture pumps used in the AG sector may be used to hydrate animals, facilitate irrigation, move slurries, pressure washing for animal housings, and much more. Construction operations rely on various pumps to mitigate flooding risks, maintain construction sites, and provide pressurized water for cleaning. Engines, gas engines rely on internal pumps for the movement of fuel for combustion. Fire suppression pumps are critical for maintaining pressurized water in emergency fire suppression systems. Fire trucks also use pumps to pull water from the municipal system via hydrants. Flood prevention, industrial sump pumps and other submersible pumps are critical for preventing flooding in industrial and commercial buildings. The uses for pumps in the industrial sector are vast, such as moving process chemicals, supporting manufacturing processes, boiler feed, boosting pressure, filtration, and many other tasks. Complex municipal water systems rely heavily on an equally complex system of pumps to maintain water pressure throughout the water network. Sewage and waste pumps facilitate movement of a variety of liquid and solid waste material. Hope you understand well. Let's know about some basic formulas related to pump by which you can calculate volume of the fluid, velocity of the fluid, velocity of fluid in pipe, hydraulic pump power input or pump shaft power, pressure head for pump. Above formula used for selection of pump as per requirement and specification of moving fluid. Hope you understand well. Thanks for watching Technical Rai. Kindly subscribe my channel to learn and grow. Give a like to this video and share with you friends. Success becomes more joyful when you share. Thanks to